I want them to feel confident that that stigma needs to go away, that they should feel confident and comfortable to leave the home and to wear their oxygen therapy because the device is going to provide what they need to stay safe. And so for me, that compliance care means that they're going to trust and be reassured that I've thought very much about what I'd like them to be able to do from a physician level, but that I've also thought about personally what they're going to be experiencing when they're not with me. And I think that's the concern that I always have with my patients at the very initiation is, what is my life going to be like now that I have to use oxygen therapy? And so finding a device that's going to match their lifestyle, that's going to provide them the right level of oxygen so that from a clinician level standpoint, I feel confident, it means that I can reassure my patients that we've chosen the right device and more importantly, the right therapy to keep them safe.
The Comfort's patented autoSAT feature measures your breath rate in real time and automatically adjusts the amount of oxygen delivered, so you can be certain to receive your prescribed dose every minute without interrupting your activity.